case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case United States v. Mound, heard in 1998 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit, a significant determination was made regarding the admissibility of evidence from past offenses. The case challenged the constitutionality of Federal Rule of Evidence 413, which permits evidence of prior sexual offenses to be presented in a current trial, but only if the evidence's probative value surpasses the peril of unfair prejudice. This ruling established important legal principles that are still in play today. The case sprang from the conviction of Alvin Ralph Mound for heinous charges of sexual abuse and assault involving a minor. Uniquely, Mound's previous conviction of child sexual abuse had been allowed as evidence in the trial, a decision that Mound took issue with, claiming it was unconstitutional. Despite his challenge, the court found the use of his prior conviction appropriate, but placed limits on its purpose. Furthermore, the court determined the testimony related to another uncharged offense brought forward by the victim to be inadmissible. Mound made an appeal against his multiple convictions and life sentence. His fundamental argument was that Federal Rule of Evidence 413, which the lower court had used to allow his prior sexual assault offense as evidence, was in itself unconstitutional. However, the court upheld the constitutionality of Rule 413 and agreed with the district court's application of it. The court unequivocally stated that it does not violate a defendant's due process rights to admit previous convictions for sexual abuse as evidence, provided the guidelines of Rule 403 are followed. It also held that while the victim's testimony about an uncharged offense was inadmissible, the general admission of such disputed evidence is not erroneous in sex offense trials. This pivotal decision by the court not only affects cases involving sexual offenses, but is indicative of a broader application of law and evidence in the justice system.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class